Okay, number 21. An equation of the line tangent to the curve y equals x cubed minus 6x squared. So tangent to the curve at its point of inflection is what? Okay, so tangent to the curve means it's going to have the same slope at its point of inflection. So I've got to find its inflection point. So in order to find the inflection point, I have to do what? Take the second derivative. So I get the first derivative is 3x squared minus 12x. Second derivative is going to be y double prime equals 6x minus 12. To find the inflection point, I set this equal to 0. I get 6x equals 12, or x equals 2. Okay, by dividing both sides by 6, right? X equals 2. So I found my inflection point. Now I have to find the equation of the line tangent to that curve. Well, tangent to the curve means the slope is the same. Okay, so let's find the slope. Well, the slope at that point, right? This is where, okay, at the point of inflection, so I know that this point is on there at x equals 2. So I say, okay, now I have to find at that point, at x equals 2, what's my slope? Okay, well, I plug in 2. 2 squared minus 12 times 2 equals 2 squared is 4 times 3 is 12 minus 12 times 2, so it's 12 minus 24 equals negative 12. Okay, so let's recap here for just a second. An equation of the line tangent to the curve at its inflection point. Okay, so it's tangent at its inflection point. So at x equals 2, it's tangent, which means it's got the same slope. Okay, and it's touching at that point. So I have the slope already, and I have that x equals 2 at its inflection point. So to find the y value, I plug in 2 to the y. So it's 2 cubed minus 6 times 2 squared equals 2 cubed is 8, minus 2 squared is 4, times 6 is 24, 8 minus 24 is negative 16. Okay, I have my x value, I have my y value, I've got my slope, I can plug that into point slope form. Y minus y1, or y plus 16, equals my slope, which is negative 12 times x minus 2. Okay, subtract 16 from both sides. Y equals negative 12x plus 24 minus 16 equals y equals negative 12x. 24 minus 16 is 8, so plus 8. That is my final answer, and that is A. That's it. See ya on the next video.